Hi, all my friends. This time, let me introduce the spring machine and its products are widely used in every field of our life. This is our machine with several different models producing different products for spring and wire forming products using in every field of our life for the industrial, agriculture, entertainment, science and technology research, stationery, sports. Every field has the spring or spring similar products made by various type of spring and spring machine, spring forming machine, and the quality machine. So today, show you the examples, different springs using in every field of our daily life. For example, as a stationery, the ballpoint pen, the clip, the file clip, stationery for daily use as like the lotion, pump, the perfume, the shampoo, chick spring have a compression spring inside. Firstly, let me introduce. This is my basic information. We are spring machine manufacturer, professional spring machine manufacturer. For example, this is one of the heavy-duty spring forming machine. The cabinet, this cabinet with two-man system for wire lottery and wire forming, for the heavy-duty springs, feeding wire 4 to 8 millimeter, feeding wire 4 to 8 millimeter. Okay, this is my contact information, my basic information. We are CNC professional spring machine manufacturer. This is my basic information. Dongguan spring machine manufacturer in Dongguan City, South China. In Dongguan City, South China. This is our brand, and I also show you the nameplate of our machine. The nameplate for our sales to the end user directly, to the machine and the user directly, we will fix on a nameplate on the work panel or in front of, or fix in front of the chassis for the nameplate with trademark. This is our trademark. We use our trademark selling our machine worldwide for domestic, for international sales. We are CNC spring machine manufacturer and founded in year 2005. Over 20 years experience. Our machine has reached country and regions, over 32 countries and regions. The trademark, domestic and foreign sales, largest trademark. And here's for the machine full name, the model number, the voltage, input voltage frequency, the machine total weight, the total rated power, production date, and made in China. Meanwhile, we also have about 25% machines sold to the trading company. So we will go over or go also OEM as according to the trading company brand. This is our nameplate for the sales direct to the end user. So a lot of different fields for this machine. This one for a different using field for especially in automobile industry for a wiper spring, for accelerator, for brake, for a trunk, for many type of cars, sedan, pickup, trucks, container heavy duty, container jacket, or for constant force. Here's different type of spring as like compression, pull spring, extension spring, torsion or double torsion spring. Also for constant force flat strip made of constant force spring and different material as iron, steel, carbon steel, stainless steel, alloy as aluminum alloy, different alloys, thin plated iron, copper, bronze. For the material like long wire or flat strip. So here's the page telling one of our sellers as special products. List the special products for foot precision machinery using loose weighted shape of various of conveyor belt, chocolate coating, chocolate enrobing. And list the same shipping log. 5 sets in the same order, in the same shipping lot for conveyor belt, chocolate coating, chocolate enrobing. For different wire thickness. Three models. Please check 3 models. And here's here's the clear mode introduction. The single loop and the double loop edge, the flat and the cubic, solid, flat, single loop edges or double loop edges. Every of them, we have the solution. We have the machine to produce every of them. Meanwhile, this one installed about half, 50% installed to be going next, installing the control system, electric parts to go next to fix on the reducer, installing the control system and fix on the motor at the rear of the work panel, and in front of the work panel, 8 sliders to be going next. Fix on the slider, tool holder, and fix on the tool. insert the manual, the quill. This machine can list 10 or 11 axes, as if have one spinner at 6 o'clock side. Usually, this goes for the task wire thickness 0.3 to 1.6 millimeter. This is cameless without wire rotary, for is running in a high speed. This machine can make the spring as like extension, pull spring, torsion spring, and a double torsion spring, as well customized wire forming products. This one, once again, this one, feeding wire 0.3 to 1.6 millimeter, and this heavy duty, the cabinet mainly with two systems, wire rotary and a wire feeding, gearbox, 4 pair feeding rods, gearbox, and the server for wire feeding, 15 kilowatt. This. So this machine, the key specification parameters for this cameless without wire rotary. Feeding wire 0.3 to 1.6 millimeter. This one. And the choices, the color, the painting color as you wish, according to the client preference of his. We can paint it in different color, and list the key specification parameters, like the products ever made, as like the chest expander. In one stop, the chest expander. In one stop. The whole one, including the loops, the hook at both ends, to one stop. One stop to make it. The whole one in one stop make it at least about 10 to 12 pieces per minute. Chest expander for the sports, for the physical exercise. Chest expanding. This machine, once made down, then go next to heating furnace. Meanwhile, please to compare the same similar but different model. In my right hand, max for 1.6 millimeter, and this one max for 2.5 millimeter. This is our catalog to introducing our history, our every key steps over the past 20 years, and the machine models. We now have almost manufactured in Dongguan City with over 20 years experience, with our own brand, CNC own brand, own trademark, manufactured, mid-sized. For regular spring machine, and also for special function machine. For example, list 4, sleeve, thread sleeve. And the list for wire straightening. Okay, my friends, if you are interested on our machine, we can firstly build at my WhatsApp WeChat. Then I can send you the e-catalog. This one, we have an electric edition. We have an e-catalog. Can send you once I got your WhatsApp or email. List our catalog. We are middle-sized CNC spring machine manufacturer in our own brand. This catalog, English, Chinese, bilingual. My own friends, in the automobile industry, a lot of different springs for regular or for special shape. A lot of different springs are widely used in automobile industry. So, for example, these are widely, we can check by our own cars for this, the automobile springs. Also, like, here's some examples: the wiper spring, the chuck, the brake, the seat belt in constant force, flat strip, the clutch torsion spring, accelerator short leg torsion spring or shock absorber, suspension spring in a special form, compression spring, using shock absorber, suspension, anti-vibration, and the sleeve spring, like this, the sleeve spring. The sleeve spring. So for any type of the cars, a lot of different springs are widely used. In other words, every car have at least 20 pieces springs. This a whole package, a whole machine package for constant force, flat strip, wind-up spring, using in many fields. For example, the car's seat self-belt, the agriculture snow blower or knower wind-up spring, the mechanic watch wind-up spring, the car's seat self-belt, the tape measure. Here's very type of constant force wind-up spring, the whole set, including the main machine and the high-frequent induction heating equipment. My friend, if you interest this. Next time, once you go along with your team with attending the Guangzhou Canton Fair's exhibitions, you can spare 2 or 3 hours. Come to our factory, bring along with your samples, or send me your drawing or sample career pictures. We can provide you suggestion and a solution. For special tasks, for wire forming products, special or regular, long wire or flat strip, for different material, iron, copper, aluminum, steel, stainless steel, panel wire, as you wish, different materials, we have the solution. This page tells 11 axis conveyor belt bending machine. And this one, the whole package for the honeycomb, horseshoe, whole package for the honeycomb for the horseshoe. Please pay special attention for his max limitation. Max for the material at wide 15 millimeter, at thickness 1.6 millimeter. The whole set machine, including the power station, hydraulic power station. The whole package for the honeycomb, for the horseshoe, conveyor belt, honeycomb, horseshoe, for long wire, regular, for I-link, for chocolate coating chain. This okay, go next. I'll show you some of the samples by our machine ever made. The samples. Firstly, the regular the constant force, flat strip, wind up spring, constant force, flat strip, wind up spring. Material like stainless steel or carbon steel, mostly using in stainless steel. In different wide or different thickness, using different field. For example, a car seat self belt, the wind up agricultural machinery, wind up spring, snow blower, wind up spring, constant force spring, using in mechanic clock, mechanical watch, or tape measure. The sleeve spring, you can make it the pitch as contact between loops, tighten loops and width, the space between every loops, sleeve spring, and this one special we call it slant canted spring. This slant canted spring. This sort of springs are widely used in electric automobile, for his charging station, for his recharging connect terminals, are widely used also in widely used high voltage current transportation networks. This one in electric automobile, electric cars, power station, slant spring, canted spring. For the agriculture, lake time, lake teeth, harvester, torsion, double torsion, harvester, lake time, lake teeth, torsion spring. In agriculture purpose, this one, many clients using this or similar machine in agriculture purpose make harvester, lake time, lake teeth, harvester, lake time, lake teeth. For this machine, 4 to 8 millimeter, running for 4 to 8 millimeter for heavy duty tasks. Also for irregular wire forming, wire bending products. This sample using in ice fishing, ice lake fishing purpose. Wire bending. This machine, hello everyone, this machine using for this is good at running, make this one. Irregular wire bending products. Starting, ending, one stop, one piece. At rate about 12 pieces per minute. 12 pieces per minute. Spiral, the spiral springs, the spiral wire mesh, spiral wire mesh. And this, our machine bending the single unit, single loop edges or double loop edges. This one, single loop edges. Stainless steel foot grade, mostly 1.2, 1.2. Mostly the wire thickness 1.2 to 2.5 millimeter, and at wide from 30 centimeter to 1.2 meter, mostly 30 centimeter to 1.2 meter. So the single unit take time. For example, this 60 centimeter take time about 30 seconds, about 30 seconds, one piece, then weaved by hand or by simple fixture, extended meter by meter. In food processing industry, for the chocolate coating, for the snack, for the bread roast, for the fruit washing, mostly using for chocolate coating, chocolate enrobing, for biscuit, for snacks. Here's an example, short example. Single unit, single loop, cubic, stainless steel, food grade stainless steel. This one, 2 millimeter. This, we can extend it, this is a whole period, extended twice, triple, or fourfold. So it can be extended as long as you wish, but mostly at 30 centimeter to 1.2 meter. As well, the torsion. This spring wire, 4 millimeter. We suggest this machine, we suggest these products on the machine. Chemicals with wire rotary. Mostly every product, every task, we can provide you at least 3 machine models for your choosing. To compare the, you can make a perfect selection according to the factors, the cost level, the setup difficulty, and the space occupation. And this one, special machine to bending this, only for bending pipe clip or hose clamp. This one stop to bending this. At output rate 12 to 20 pieces per minute. Max to 160 millimeter. Max OD 16 centimeter. So here's an example using in automobile industry. Every car have a lot of springs, like the wiper spring, the seat, car seat, belt, constant force spring, the trucks, pull spring, extension spring, the brake, torsion spring. So every car have a lot of different springs. Every car have at least 30 springs in different wire thickness and different position, different functions. Let's go through fast. We have different machines for your different tasks. So the big 3 group, chemicals with wire rotary and the compression spring machine. We are professional CNC spring machine manufacturer. This one, came with wire rotary. Okay, one more time. Here's my brief. We are CNC spring machine manufacturer and our factory with over 20 years experience. Interest, please add my WhatsApp or booked my YouTube video bank. Send me your inquiry or send me your interesting by WhatsApp, by WeChat, or by email as well.